Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome back to the channel, and today's topic is communication tips and tricks. So let's start with the video. Tip number 1 is verbal ability. Read good books, prepare good content out of that, and if possible, take help of verbal ability flashcards. Tip number 2 would be fluency. Make sure that you practice. Practice is the mantra. Try practicing in front of mirror, because I say that you are your best friend. If possible, try practicing in front of your family or friends. Tip number 3 would be body language. Focus on your tone, the way you speak, make good eye contact, and use proper balance of your voice. Make sure that you have an open body language while having conversation. Tip number 4 is listening over hearing. The message should be received by the brain, not ear. Make sure that whatever you hear gets registered in your brain and just not fall over your ear. Tip number 5 is find common interest. It's easier to build a connect with a person with whom you're able to find common discussion topics. I would suggest avoid politics and religion. The 6th and the most important tip would be optimistic. Now it means that you have to be hopeful and confident. Make sure that you keep smiling and stay positive. All the best. If you would want to know more, please like this video and subscribe my channel.